So let's start off with understanding few terminologies or recalling few terminologies, starting with static. So the entire topic deals with electrostatic. So the word static means, well, not moving. Now, the word electro means what? Any phenomena that is associated with charges, right? So combining those two words, we have electrostatic phenomena. So electrostatic deals with charges which are not moving. So we deal with study of forces, field, potentials arising from static charges. So this is spread across chapter 1 and 2. Now, charges per se, they are defined as fundamental property of matter that causes it to experience a force when placed in an electromagnetic field. So basically they are your intrinsic properties. That is a property which a particular matter has, or matter, actually everything has. All the matters have this property. So you guys can recall that we have positive and negative charges. So like charges repel while unlike charges attract. Next, we have the SI unit of charges. So it's named after a physicist. So whenever we have a name which is, whenever we have a SI unit which is named after a physicist or a person per se, we will write his name with the first letter to be in small letters and the unit per se is written in capital letter. Then in third or fourth chapter, we will be looking at conductors, insulators and semiconductors. Actually starts off with second chapter itself. So what are conductors? Material that have some free electron bound within the limits of the material wherein they can move around without much constraint makes it a conductor. All of this you guys know. Insulator also is a similar definition, but here the difference is that they cannot move. And the new thing over here is the semiconductors. Well, this is your third classification of materials, one of the classifications, depending on the conductivity of electricity. So the conductivity lies between a conductor and insulator. All the devices that you guys are using, I'm using, they are made up of semiconductors. So you also have to know the topic earthing and safety. Earthing has to do with connecting a huge metal rod down to the earth, so that when we have any kind of leakage of current or lightning and all of that, the charges go directly to the ground so as to protecting the devices, the person, so on and so forth. So basically we have a metallic part of a electrical appliances that's connected to the earth with low resisting wire. This connection provides a safe path for electrical current to flow into the ground in case of faulty or preventing electrical shocks. So you guys don't have to write anything over here, but I'll just show it off once. Copy, it's not needed.